Alright guys, we're back here with a giveaway by Pedro. It's for our monster truck. There it is. 10 entries. We got the list, so we're going to go live. Find us a winner. It's 11:32 here in Antwerp. There's your time. There's the list. We need a 5 or better. Getting there. It's an 8. Good luck, guys. Round 1. Harley. 2 Lewis. 3 Harley. 4 Mark. 5 Mark. 6 is Harley. Round 7 we got Lewis. And there we are, guys. Final round. Good luck, everybody. It's 11:33. Your winner is Mark, line 3. Congratulations. There's the verification code YQEZHR. Round 8, line 3 is your winner. And that is going to do it, guys. Done at 11:33. Until next time, guys. How about them Cowboys?